let me show you. Easily the best value of money steam cleaner that you can get. So I purchased mine for only 20 euros from Lidl. So let's check out everything we get inside the box. So first we are getting quite extensive manual here. We are also getting 4-meter cable here, so that's absolutely awesome, and bunch of other accessories as well. And first, when it comes to build quality, it appears very well made indeed. We also have the locking button, so you can lock it out, so you can't start it accidentally. On the other side as well, indicator lights, a decent grip as well, and this is where we can refill it and also pressurize it. Yeah, when you check the build quality, this actually appears very well made, especially for the price, I would say. And the power draw is right around 1 kilowatt on this one. And next, let me show you all the accessories and also how to attach them. So there are two different ways how to use them. Either you can mount it here directly, or simply use this extension tube, which is probably the best way how to use it. So again, I highly suggest to mount this first. There, I see also, for example, you can take this one. If you look, you have 1 and 2 these kind of pins here, and also 2 grooves here. So we simply align them properly. So you see, and push it on and lock it like this. Turn it and you see it's very, very secure. And on this end we can also attach these small bits. Simply push it on and you see it's also very secure. To remove it, simply pull it off. I see you have O-ring here, the O-ring, yeah, that keeps in place. Also you can attach this small brush here as well. Okay. But personally, again, I suggest to use it with this larger extension hose. You will see why. So again, let's simply pop it on, locked in place. Again, if you want to remove it, simply twist like this and it comes off. Okay, so we can kind of work with this one already directly, or to this one you can also add various attachments. So again, for example, these small things can be added on it. Also the small brush, perhaps. And also this big brush as well. But again, so you see it locks into place. So you simply align and twist, and you see it's in place. So this is what it would look like. And also on this one, we can also attach this fabric as well. So this is especially useful, yeah, for maybe cleaning up upholstery, like couch, maybe something in your car. So simply push down like this. So you see, and this is what it looks like. And to start working with it, let's take some water and fill it up here. Also, this unit can take only up to 250 milliliters of water. Don't actually try to fill in more, because there's a bit more space than the 250. So we simply do not want to overfill, so otherwise the steam might create some problems. So I'm simply pouring it in carefully. And then let's simply screw it back down here. So all the way, make sure it's properly screwed down. And then we simply need to plug it in and wait for it to heat up. you'll see indicator light appears here. That means it's in power. And also let's start a timer to see how long it takes to heat up. So again, we simply wait till it heats up. I'm already hearing some noise. So again, we wait till it heats up before we can actually start using it. So a bit over 2 minutes for it to heat up and be ready. And then if we squeeze a trigger, as see, we can start working with it. Also, what's cool, for a short moment, this unit also can be used even if you plug it out of electricity. So you see, also when you are working with steamer, be very careful and not point it at yourself or any other person or any pets, because obviously this is a very hot steam that's coming out and it can definitely burn you. And next, let me show you what you can actually do with this cleaner. First, let's start with extreme test. As you see, I have absolutely nasty and dirty wall here. Basically, my dog is responsible for this one. He actually likes to rub his back against this wall for some reason. So when he's wet and dirty, so this is what you are left with. And I already cleaned this part of the wall with this cleaner, so you see it actually removed pretty much everything for me, and it took me maybe like 3 minutes to completely clean it. So and let's go ahead now and clean it. Next, let's take a sponge and get rid of the nasty stuff. So you see, already much better. Okay, and let's continue. And finally, let's simply wipe everything off with a clean cloth. And as you see, it's literally 100 times better now. Also, we can use it to clean carpets as well. Also, not only this tool can be used to clean carpets, maybe furniture, but also it can be effectively used to get rid of smells as well. For example, if there is maybe some smell in your carpets or furniture, you can simply go over it. So since it's obviously pushing out very hot steam, so essentially boiling steam, it's also going to kill off all the bacteria inside the carpet or upholstery. For example, also maybe if you have some mold somewhere, you can simply go over with it, and this hot steam essentially, it will essentially kill off all the organic matter where the mold feeds or any smells come from. And we can also use it to clean and refresh furniture as well. And you can also remove very stubborn stains. And with this tool we can also easily clean a fridge as well, for example. Also completely disinfect your toilet and also kill all the germs. And remove stains from sink. And yeah, overall for only around 20 euros, the SilverCrest steam cleaner is actually very cool indeed. The only thing what I wish was a bit better on it, however, was the capacity on it. So we're only getting 250 milliliter capacity on it. So essentially you can only kind of work with it for a few minutes before you need to refill it. So I wish that was a bit better on it. But for the price, probably can't complain much. Okay, good luck.